Put the C in the ouch and the ing in the couch, and we got couching with Koel. Life has become super fast. Everyone is multitasking. Everyone's on the move and every minute must count. And I am so not one to be left behind. So come with me on my moving couch as I give the entire Gabbar lot a lift from Delhi to Noida while we chat about how a film can help beat corruption. Come on in to this mad, crazy world of Gabbar.
What music we are giving
is
you?
back. What is this music?
Jaws. We've actually given that.
We were deciding between Jaws and Psycho. We were like, should we do that?
Is the background music for you?
Or we
But
can
listen,
go
are
there.
you sure you want to do that to the person who will be asking you the questions
That's
and who will have
all
the
right.
final edit?
That's
so
okay.
I mean, I'm Jaws. So shall I ask those kind of
I know
questions?
you will
or
not.
You're a
ever
shark
cut all
in your
these
profession is what we mean.
What?
You're a shark in your profession.
I'm a shark.
In a good way.
How is that a good way?
Like the Wall Street sharks.
Oh, thanks. Okay. Thanks very much.
I just spoke to a friend of mine who was from South Africa and his was his birthday, so I'm having an accent of South African. So let's go and talk like South African.
I don't know how to do a South African.
Now that is Australian.
No, but they also say mate, no?
Now that is Australian.
Or they say, yeah, come on for a bri.
Do it so South African. South African.
South African.
Yes.
South African.
Now you're
I
getting
got it. Yeah.
So today this interview is going to be like South African. We're going to talk.
But you're
like,
sounding slightly Tamilian in South African.
That is
That's
it. That is it. That is this.
And how does Gabbar sound?
That's South African.
Today everything is like that.
You
also.
get that?
Listen, we are doing this interview in a bus, although I would have liked to do it in a limousine because you wanted to connect with the. Now you'll say, of course not, but that's the idea that you wanted to connect with the common man.
I swear we
etc.
don't have anything to do with that. Whatever they said, Mr. Dilemma or
Please,
bus.
sir. What is
going to talk
going
like this throughout?
He feels like Christian Bale, you know? It's his accent.
You should be so lucky.
Should I like speak like I'm from LA then like Gabbar or something?
Yeah, but that's how it
And how
is.
should
Totally
I?
cool.
Fine, okay, I'm going to talk like
Yeah.
I'm from England then.
Yeah,
Oh, you're-
pictures
you're-
are
Everyone
like,
has this
yeah.
accent.
Oh, she's arriving.
As I was saying, we were talking about doing an interview in the bus. Now the reason we're
Oh
doing
gosh, you got the shoe also. Very well.
Okay, I think my South Indian accent is better, much better.
I'm kind of like the atmosphere in this bus in
Yeah.
the movie. Yeah.
You're the atmosphere in the bus in the
In
movie.
the film,
You mean you're the comic relief?
it's a romantic love and she inspires, she admires
She's
Gabbar.
fun.
Yeah,
Yeah,
And the film isn't.
of course it is.
big time fun actually.
So you're just waving to people on the bus. Now comes part and parcel of being an actor and filmmakers that you're sort of surrounded by an entourage, you're surrounded by luxury, you're ensconced in sort of you're sort of wrapped in cotton wool, right? How then can you actually understand truly and portray the angst of a common man? How are you in touch with that?
Oh, because very easy. Because my childhood has been like that. I'm from Delhi.
But that was a long time ago. I mean, not to say that you're old or anything,
no,
but that was
that's
a long
okay.
time
Saying
ago.
it doesn't matter if you
Yeah.
call me 47. Also, it's fine. It doesn't matter to me. There's nothing to hide. So, अगर ऐसा होता तो I would have been painting my beard black. So, but there's nothing. Like
I'm so
that.
glad you're not, and I like the big beard in the film.
Well, thank you.
Yeah, I really like the big beard in the film.
So, what I was saying was because I come from Chandni Chowk and I still have my house here. I still have my old house in Mumbai, and all my friends are from there only. I don't have much friends in film industry, so it's very easy to connect. For me, it was very, very, very easy to connect with them.
You're saying your life has not changed at all, and
Not
that you
at
can...
all. Let me say, I enjoy.
Please, okay? That you're saying that
Except the bank balance, nothing has changed, my darling. It is my interview. It is my answer. It is this.
Okay, music, please. Okay, your interview, your
I'm
answer.
seconding that actually. He's still in touch with his roots. Whenever we're discussing the film, when we started in script readings, actually there were several incidents Akshasa said actually, which really, which knows that, which makes sure that he's still in touch with his roots. He's still Aam Aadmi.
He's still Aam Aadmi. You know, they say that you become the person depending on the upbringing that you have. And last time I spoke to you, you said something like our meal times and our dinner table conversations were Antakshri meets Led Zepp. How did that influence you, and how has it made you the person you are?
Basically both my parents are so artistic, and it's not like we sit down and discuss, the greats or anything like that.
No, I'm sorry. I'm
He's
going to keep
adding-
on doing
yeah,
that.
okay, fine.
Okay, because it has to be different. Anybody great will mention about, there'll be some music.
Akshay Kumar. So yeah, it was just like a fun household. And as far as you speak about being in touch with things, I was brought up very simply and not at all spoiled. And I still hold on to that.
And you also had a song called Weird Little Girl, right?
Yes.
Because you said that I never want to fit in. I have no desire to fit the mold. How then have you survived in an industry which is all about sort of fitting into the mold, no?
I think it's about playing the game first and then making your own rules. And that's something
I
I've
like
learned
that.
over
Playing
time.
the game first. So first you have to win
And
in
there's
that
nothing
game.
wrong at it.
Yeah.
In it.
Say it again.
Playing the game first and then making your own rules.
Means first you have, which is what you also did.
I had no other choice.
You had to play the game, you had to win at that, and then only you can do it at your
I
own
think
way,
it's fine.
right?
I think it's.
Well, I had to get my own ball, bat, my own pads, own gloves.
Music.
Short and
Nobody provided me anything.
Tell me about a recent incident that has happened personally to you that has affected you with corruption.
See, what happens is it doesn't happen to us directly. As I told you, my friends are all my college friends and my school friends. अरे यार बहुत प्रॉब्लम हुई यार, अरे यार ऐसा हुआ, अरे भैया ऐसा हो गया, समझ भी नहीं आता क्या करें. So I know it. So what is happening, and we sit down every week. We meet. Just now also on one of my programs, my friends were sitting there when we went for that comedy this thing. So I know through them only, because we are not in direct touch with them.
So nothing has plagued you recently where you've gone, I wish this was different, or...
Nothing much. I mean, nothing to that sort. Which
So
I
in
can
a
say
way,
at the
we
moment.
guys lead, and I would say the same,
It's a-
we lead sheltered lives.
We have sheltered lives at the moment, but it is very sad to see so many. Like I always say, I run this school where I teach women martial art free of cost. I'm running about 3 schools, so every month I train 300 girls martial art, and I'm ashamed to say, but that why do they have to learn martial art? They don't need to. Why, just for their own self-defense they're learning? Actually, they should be just sitting in a coffee shop and having coffee and enjoying
And wearing
life
what they want and-
they
and
should be
doing what
enjoying
they want.
and shopping, things like that. But it has become a compulsory part now, that you should know what happens if a man holds you, catches you.
Now, this scary incident happened to you recently. Was that true? Is it... What happened?
I mean, I don't want to get into it, but
Yeah.
yes, it definitely did bring to light that, people who think, oh, Shruti Hassan, blah, 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 she must be living in some little ivory chamber. No, I live like any other independent girl in Bombay, in a decent apartment, but safety is an issue for any girl. And that was
And
something
in
that...
your own house,
Yes.
you could be attacked.
Yes.
And so something like what Akshay is
Yes.
doing would have been helpful. Or,
Yes,
but
and it
in
was
fact,
helpful because
all
my
the-
dad actually used to bring me up saying, if somebody did this, what would you do? If somebody did, and I'd be like, "Pa, you're so weird." You won't believe at that moment that's exactly what came to my mind.
Really?
And it's what he keeps saying also is that the person attacking you is much more scared than you are actually. So just to react immediately. Plus, I'm kind of cuckoo, so I just react anyway. So it was in my favor, but it was scary. It was
Of
very
course
scary.
it's scary. Afterwards, after the adrenaline passes, I'm
Yes.
sure you kind of break down and you go,
Yes.
what just happened?
Yeah,
right?
definitely.
And now you have a little daughter. How would you like to bring her up? Like, since we were talking about upbringing, what happens in the typical mealtime with your kids, with the Kumar Khanna mealtime,
Nothing. We just talk.
What do you talk
eat
about?
and
And what are you feeding their brains? That's what I'm interested
feeding their
in.
brains. There's enough on the net to feed them.
Which is the scary part.
No, but what else to do? I'm talking about my son. At the moment, my daughter is just 2, so she's not. She doesn't know much about it. So
He's a teenager, right?
yeah, he's a
Oof.
teenager, so he knows everything. He knows everything. He comes up with great ideas. Like recently, I was sitting with him, and Dad, we were in London, and they have the cabs like this. The cab, a little bit more bigger car than this, and they have cabs and all. He comes up with, Dad, they can have slot machines behind, and the passengers can put coins and keep on playing, and the driver can earn not only the rent but also
The slot machine one.
Yeah. I must say, but I don't know from where he
He's
saw
definitely
something.
his son.
I don't know from where he saw that and how he connected it.
He's just
definitely
watching his daddy dearest, okay? That's what's happening.
Fine, I must say there's not a
Before
bad
we take
idea.
a break, I want to know how you feel about how much a film with a message and a mission, which this film seems to have, right? How much can it really help? How do you genuinely?
No, we are not preaching anything in this film, and
It's not about preaching, but your campaign all says "Rest in peace, corruption." So that's a message,
I'll
right?
talk about it. I'll talk about it because what happens is why I chose this film is because I love the fact that it is telling me that this is one of the way how to face corruption, and that is violence. We've always come across with non-violence, non-violence, non-violence. But what happens? Nothing happens. Nothing happens much. It is just प्यार से समझाओ, प्यार से समझाओ, प्यार से समझाओ, प्यार से समझाओ. कौन समझ रहा है? Just like in Dubai or in Saudi or in Hong Kong or in China, if you do something, they cut off your hand. Let me say if they find you guilty, and that also in public.
Are you condoning violence to fix this?
See, I am-
Is that what you're saying? Because
Severity,
that's the
I
law
think.
of the land there.
No, that's the law of the land.
I think it's
What-
in severity.
in severity and also in front of public, make an example.
So would you say that any of the rapists, and there have been enough, should have been publicly, say for instance, castrated?
Maybe. Why not? Why not? I mean, you have to have examples. Why would anybody touch somebody else's daughter? For what reason?
Oh, there's whole sorts of reasons why that happens,
no,
right?
Why it doesn't happen there then?
Even if there's an urge, it's
Why
within
isn't the
control.
crime rate 0.03%? Why?
So you're saying because the punishment is not severe enough.
The punishment is there, but make it quick and make it in front of
But
public.
in your film, the normal person is taking law into his hand, right?
But that's the only
There's
way
no
out.
other way. Basically, it's like cancer now. You have to do chemotherapy. You can't wait until the thing,
It's quite a dubious message, though, isn't
I
it?
know
I mean,
that.
it's a dangerous
It is
message to be
dangerous
giving.
message. You are absolutely right.
Basically,
yeah.
See, this is the writer's point of view. The person who's written about the script. It is his point of view. It is like when I made Oh My God. It was the point of view of a person. Let me say about religion. Why you need to put oil or milk on God? When did God say, "Ki put milk on my head and I will be very happy with you"? Why are we wasting so much of milk? Tons and tons of milk get wasted. It is the same way. This is a message. Whomever, if your cameraman likes it, he takes it. If you don't, आँखें प्यार के लबों से सिल रही है, आँखें प्यार के धागों से सिल रही है.
ये जो हो रहा है अच्छा लग रहा है, नशा है ये पहले प्यार का. तुमने
ये कहा है, नजर ने कहा है,
पलकों पे बैठ जा तू आके, चाहे मेरी नींद ले जा चुरा के. Hey oh, I'm in love.
प्यार का ये पहले.
Hey oh, I'm in love. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Listen, no bus journey in India is complete without Gana Bajana. Akshay, you have an exceptional voice. We'll come to that in a second. But you have a very amazing talent to mime songs in a way as if it's coming from inside. Like,
Why is somebody honking so much?
because they're agreeing with me.
Miming.
Yeah. So I want to try something here, which might be
Yeah.
interesting. If there's a song that both of you know, either from the film or otherwise, like a Chalti Ka Naam Gaadi kind of song or whatever, that she sings and you mime.
Okay.
So she has to sing, to decide which one you know the words for,
sing
and you have to do it with
any
full
song.
emotion.
Oh, any song? Oh. Any song?
And you do it in full Shruti style. Shruti Hassan and the Extramentals.
If I had a hammer, I'd hammer in the morning, I'd hammer in the evening, all over this land.
It's so fun. Come on, you can't stop.
No, I'm a goal.
I'd hammer about danger, I'd hammer about warning, I'd hammer about love between my brothers and my sisters, all over this land.
This is brilliant. This is Gabbar Ka Bus. Was it like this on set as
Oh my
well?
god, that
This
was
is only
amazing.
10% of
And
it.
now I'm going to
What
sing.
used to happen?
And I'm going to sing, and now she has to.
Yeah.
Yeah, how about that?
How about that?
How about that? Okay, fine. Done. Don't tell her what you're singing.
I won't know any.
With that guitar.
Ready? आज जवानी पर तराने वाले कल पछताएगा आज जवानी पर तराने वाले कल पछताएगा चढ़ता सूरज धीरे धीरे ढलता है ढल जाए ढल जाएगा ढल जाएगा ढल जाएगा ढल जाएगा मौत सबको आनी है कौन इससे छूटा है तू पना नहीं होगा ये ख्याल झूठा है सांस टूटते ही सब रिश्ते टूट जाते हैं बाप माँ बहन बीवी बच्चे रूठ जाते अगर हो या ना हो सबको लौट जाना है सबको लौट जाना है गफलतों का मंजर का कब्र ही ठिकाना है कब्र ही ठिकाना मुट्ठी बांध के आने वाले She lost.
Okay, this is 1-1 to Akshay and Shruti. But this is the thing about bus journey, so everyone has fun. The reason we're doing this in a bus is because of lack of time, right? Because you guys are on a promotional tour.
No,
where-
lack
where-
of limousine.
No, lack of limousine. There was a
That
limousine
was your
park,
idea.
okay?
You said no.
I said limousine, but the
Which was the contest
But it
which they
brings
made
me
into.
to the question that we are all, you know, the way that we live now, we're all running, we're all stretched like this. Do you ever feel that maybe we need to kind of, as people, we need to just stop and take a breath and take in the moment? Or,
That'll happen when I'm retired. Not
I don't think so. Basically, we are doing fine.
you're doing fine. Now, you do more films than any of your contemporaries and even
And
the
I take
younger
more
people.
holidays than any of you.
How is that possible? And you've been on my couch more often than anyone in the last 6
Maybe
months
I love
because
your couch.
I love you. But that's a whole other conversation in the limousine that we'll have.
Right.
Sorry, Mrs. Funny Bones. Yeah. How?
How?
Again, he wakes up early, actually, 4:30 in the morning. Again, he wakes up.
So he has more hours in the day.
Yeah.
Is that what it is?
I do it because it's very easy. It just takes 60 days to finish this movie. How many days did you shoot with me?
70 total.
But with me,
45.
45 days, see?
I
45
think
days.
he's just organized about his life in
And he
general.
comes onto the set.
Because he is like, right?
Well
We don't. I
prepared,
never
yeah.
have this kind of time. I don't know where my
And
day
therefore,
goes.
what's contagious around him is that
Discipline.
discipline.
Yeah.
And it's not in a
Yes.
scary like military PT teacher way.
No?
It's like he's so committed and fun about it that
And
you
every
feel
day-
like doing it the right way.
So you've imbibed that from him, or you're trying to.
I've been I've actually. He knows, like, I always tell him, why can't someone start and finish on time? You know, and
Yeah.
like, he's the first person who starts the day on time, packs up on time. It's not like he's waking up at 4 a.m. and keeping you there till 11 p.m. It's all organized and I loved it. It was one of my best
The
experiences.
45 days, whatever we worked, actually, clearly scheduled. We never in a hurry or anything. Aram se nahi ek scene kiya. And too many pranks, he's good at, stealing watches. You know that, no?
No, I don't know that. I took my watch off. Did you take my watch?
No,
Did you take it? It was like a seriously expensive one.
No.
Can I have it back?
I remember once I had taken somebody's watch and very expensive watch. It was Mrs. Godrej watch.
Oh.
I took permission auntie's watch
Yeah.
and then obviously. And
But
I
Auntie
said,
Pam is the way that she'll say, take it.
no,
It's okay.
no. I said, what's the time? That's my watch. Chalo, pata nahi kithe gaya. Chalo, koi baat nahi. And then she was like, okay. And then I gave it to her and asked, by the way, how much was it? 1.5 crore.
Oh,
Just a 1-bedroom flat.
should have kept it, right? But your film talks about karma. Do you personally believe in that if you do something like that, that it'll come and bite you in your butt?
Why would it bite me? It's just a joke.
No,
It's
but
a
not
prank,
that. But I'm
actually.
talking about genuinely. I was taking off from there. About karma.
About karma, yes.
Yeah.
Obviously, I believe in karma.
Do you believe in
yes,
karma?
absolutely. I believe in it. And so I just, I'm with it all the time.
So you lead a good life?
Aram se. Easy life, full of fun and family, and I've enjoyed myself when I was not married, and that's it.
And now Mrs. Funny Bones has you.
Has my bones.
She's really discovered her voice as of late, the satirical wit. Have you ever personally in your private life been at the end of her sharp tongue?
Since I know her. Since I know her.
What do you do to dodge it?
No, there's no dodging. There are some darts which are computerized, and wherever you go, it's like a missile. Once targeted, it has to hit the target. Otherwise, it's not going to go there anywhere else.
And you are the
Whatever
target.
I do,
Please give me an example. Give all of us an
I can't
example.
give you an example. Okay, I mean, say till there it's fine. I mean, I can't give you an example of it. It is always.
But he's saying it with so much pride.
Like she's
You
good at
know,
it.
to get beaten up by your wife is a great thing.
I hope my husband thinks the same way.
Yeah.
Are you seeing anyone? Last time you said I haven't found anyone mellow
I've
enough.
Not found anyone else. Now it's motivated enough.
Motive, acha, you've also
changed.
changed. If earlier you wanted someone shanti, you know? No, now it's like
no
go. Go. Talking about religion for a second. Now I know you have a very strong association. You were brought up in a very religious environment. You were taken to Vaishno Devi when you were very young. You were brought up as your father is an atheist and art is God. How being successful and being your own people has your relationship with God changed?
No,
Has
it's
it?
very much the same. I believe in the God, and I believe in. But yes, a little bit changes have come in such a way that I don't go to temples. If there's a temple and if I have time and if I can go, I will go. But I will not spend money and go somewhere in a temple, because that money which I'm going to spend, like 2 lakhs or 1.5, 3 lakh rupees, I would give it to someone. And just when I'm giving it to someone, I say Jai Mata Di, and I get God there. It's done, over.
That's
So
a
I don't
good
need to.
philosophy, yeah.
I don't need to obviously, because God actually is not saying that come to this so and so place and I shall grant what you want.
And you? Has your relationship changed?
I think it's grown actually. I found a stronger base in it. And like he said, it's not about going. I mean, I do visit temples and all as often as I can, but the whole God men and the whole circle around it is something I've never related to. And also, I've heard the anti-God story so much in my house, as in the theory of don't follow rituals, and it does make sense. It's the whole Aham Brahmasmi Tattvamasi thing, which makes sense. It is within you, and that connection to God has only been stronger as I've grown.
That we all have the Buddha inside us. Okay, on a leaving note, I have a fun bit to do where you've taken one of the famous Gabbar lines from the original Sholay, although your film has nothing to do with Sholay except for the character's name, and twisted it around. So I can either give you some famous Gabbar lines or Sholay lines that we can twist around more, or you can come up with some more, because there are
You're going to give us the line and we have to twist according to Gabbar?
according to how your film is, you know?
According to my film, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, can we have the line?
You do roll sound action, okay?
Ready, camera, sound, and
मेरे बोल रहे
action.
जब तक मेरे पैर चलेंगे घर वालों के खाना चलेगा, जब मेरे पैर रुकेंगे तो घर वालों के भूखे मरेंगे. Oh, I don't know what to say.
You call action. Call action.
रिश्वत खोरो, अभी तक पैसा खाया है, अब गोली का, गब्बर का.
Good one. हाँ.
गब्बर के ताप से तुम्हें सिर्फ एक ही आदमी बता सकता है, एक ही आदमी, खुद संजय लीला बंसाली.
And on that note, goodbye. This is the moving couch with the team of Gabbar. Put the C in the ouch and the ing in the couch, and we got couching with Koel.